Okay, welcome back. We can move to the next part of question. Question 3 part B. Question 3 part B. The question part B is calculate the power dissipated from the circuit. Calculate the power dissipated from the circuit. What is the meaning of power dissipated? That is not that is energy loss. That is the power dissipated. Energy loss. So, power dissipated means that is power dissipated is nothing. That is very it's only energy loss. Okay, power dissipated is energy loss. Someone may confuse the after the after after the name. Power dissipated means only energy loss. Please memorize it. So, energy loss. Power dissipated means energy loss. Now we have to find the power dissipated. Power dissipated. Dissipated power or energy loss. Okay, energy loss. Energy loss. How to find the energy loss? Here they are asking about power loss. No, power dissipated. What is the equation of power? We have already discussed in early videos. PV is equal to VI, Pavani. P is equal to VI. Yeah, it's the equation of power. P is equal to VI, Pavani. We have already discussed about P is equal to VI. V is equal to IR. V is equal to IR. This, this is the equation by Ohm's law. Ohm's Ohm's law. The equation of Ohm's law is equal to IR. Now P is equal to VI. VI. Here in this, if you refer, you see the okay. You see the equation. We don't know V. No, don't know the, but we know I. We know I. We can find V. How we can find? We have no we don't know V. But we have found the I1, I2, and I3. Therefore, we have to substitute another equation instead of V. How can substitute? V is equal to IR. V is equal to IR. Therefore, P is equal to VI. V is V. I substitute IR instead of V into I. Therefore, P is equal to I square R. Now we have to find the power dissipated, energy loss. We can how to find this? It's very simple. Here there are the power dissipation or energy loss will be held in these three components. Okay, the energy loss or power dissipation will be held in R1, R2, and R3. How? By heat. If here these are R1, R2, and R3 are resistors. They will resist the flow of current. They will resist the flowing of current flowing. They will the heat will be generated there. Therefore, the energy of the energy will be dissipated. The energy will be dissipated, or the energy will be lost as a heat. That's why P is equal to I square R. Why we have found P is equal to IR. Now total power dissipation. Okay, P total. P total. Total power dissipation. Okay, P total. Uh, P total. Okay, power dissipation. P total power dissipation or anything. Okay, or total power dissipation. Total power dissipation is equal to I1 square into R. I1 I1 square into R1 plus I2 square into R2. I2 square into R2 plus I3 square into R3. This way, there are three resistors. It's very simple. Don't need to confuse. Okay, there are three resistors. The power dissipation will be held in this only in the under in the only at the resistors. There are two resistors. If you want, you can find the find them. Power dissipation separately for every resistor. For power dissipation, for example, power dissipation at resistor R1. Power dissipation at resistor R1. P1 will be P1 is equal to I1 square R1. Power dissipation at R2. Therefore, T2 is T2. T2 is equal to I2 square R2. R3. Power dissipation or energy losses at R3. Therefore, T3 is equal to I3 square R3. Therefore, total power dissipation is equal to T1 plus T2 plus T3. I1 square I1 square R1. I1 square R1 plus I2 square R2 plus I3 square R3. Therefore, PT is equal to I1 square 5 by 3, 5 by 13, 10 to the power minus 3. Here, I if you please watch again, here I use 5 by 13 for I1. I substitute 5 by 13 instead of I1. I didn't substitute the decimal value. What is the reason? If I substitute the uh, this 5 by 13 instead of decimal value, I will get the answer very accurately. Okay, 5 by the that is the reason I substitute by I1. You also in exam, please substitute 5 by 30 like that. Okay, don't substitute the decimal values 5 by 13 into 10 to the power minus 3 whole square into R1. What is R1? R1 is 10 to 6 kilo ohms. There was 6 into 10 to the power 3 plus 5 7 by 13. 7 by 13, 7 by 13 into 10 to the power minus 3. Because I2 is equal to 7 by 13, 10 to the power minus 3 into 3 square into what is R2? R2 is 8 into 10 to the power 3 ohm plus I3 square. I3 square, what is I3 square? Minus 12 by 13. Minus 12 by 13 into 10 to the power minus 3 whole square into what is R3? 4 kilo ohm. Therefore, 4 into 10 to the power 3 ohm. If you therefore if you calculate that equation, if you equate that if you find the summary, you will get finally P will be approximately equal to 6.62 milliwatt. Okay, milliwatt, which means 6.662 to 10 to the power minus 3 watt. The final answer. Therefore, the answer of this question calculate the power dissipated from the circuit. Therefore, the calculate please, we have found the final answer now. Now, please write therefore, 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 uh, po- power dissipated, power dissipated, power dissipated that from circuit, from the circuit, 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 it is equal to 6.62 milliwatt. It is best like writing like this is the best way in exam. It will very beautiful in exam. Therefore, this is the final answer. Okay, very simple. Here we must only memorize these very simple equations. P is equal to VI. Pavani, this is the equation of power. V is equal to IR according to Ohm's law. Here we don't know the V. Therefore, we substitute IR instead of V. Therefore, P will be V is equal to I square R. Therefore, we have to apply this equation for every resistance. Therefore, you will find the you finally if you add or if you sum uh, all the all the all the equation. Finally, you will get the total energy loss or power dissipated. Total power dissipated. Okay, this is the very simple. Okay, next video. Let's meet. Okay, bye.